Today we are making some red velvet cupcakes. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make. In goes my flour as well as my cocoa powder and then my baking powder, and then just mix those together. And now for our wet ingredients. To my butter I'm going to add my sugar, and then once I've creamed my sugar and butter together, I'm going to add in my eggs one at a time. And now for the rest of our wet ingredients, my vanilla as well as my buttermilk and then my red food coloring, and then just mix. So in our other bowl we are gonna dissolve our bicarb in our acid, which is the vinegar. Mix that, and then this will go into our wet ingredients. So we combine that, and now the two will come together, and now everything is nice and mixed. So we're going to be filling it about 2/3 of the way. You don't want to overfill it. And now to make the icing for our red velvet cupcakes. So in here I've already got my butter at room temperature, as well as my cream cheese also at room temperature. It just makes it easier for you to work with it. And then to this, I'm gonna add some vanilla essence, and then of course some icing sugar. So now we're gonna add a little bit of milk, just a few teaspoons, and this is just to loosen our icing because it is so thick. You want it to come out of the piping bag easily. Okay, and now to ice our cupcakes, and then top with strawberry. And there are your Valentine's Day red velvet cupcakes done. And now for the taste test, my favorite part. Perfect. These taste amazing. I hope that you make them. So please let me know how it goes.